Today we are going to do this problem. It's for any math Olympiad sample problem or any math competition problem where you're given with x minus y equals 3. You're going to find the value of this big polynomial when x minus y equals 3. Now, to find the value of this polynomial, we're going to take the help of Pascal triangle. So we need to know what is Pascal triangle first of all. So Pascal triangle is used to solve big polynomial such as this one. It starts from 1 and then it has two branches next. That's going to be 1 and 1. And now you're going to bring the 1 here and 1 here at the end point. And the middle term should be the sum of these two, and that should be 2. And then you're going to do the same process. Bring the 1 to the one end and add these two, and you get 3 here. Add these two, and you get 3 again, and leave the 1 at the end here. Do the same process. You have 1 and add the middle two terms, you get 4, and again add middle two terms, you get 6, and then add middle two terms, you get 4 again, and then you're going to have 1 at the end. Do this process one more time. You're going to get here 1. The middle two terms will give me here is 5. Then again 4 plus 6 is 10. 6 plus 4 again 10. 4 plus 5 again 5. And then move the 1 at the end. And now we are going to get these as our coefficient to open any type of binomial with the power 5, and we are going to treat these ones as our coefficients. In this way you can open any binomial with power a minus b or a plus b to the power 6, 7, 8 or any number, and use these triangle to get the coefficient for the triangle. Now in this case we only need up to the 5, so we are going to treat this as our coefficient. So first coefficient for us is 1. A to the power, highest degree of this one, we are going to choose obviously 5. So this is 5. Next coefficient is going to be this number, that is 5. Now we are going to decrease the power of a, and that becomes a to the power 4, and we are going to increase the power of b. So here you can treat that b to the power 0, for example, and here you're going to increase the b to the power 1. Now since b is negative, you can see their sign is negative, so we are going to write this sign for any time we have odd b, we are going to treat as a negative. Our next coefficient is 10, so 10 we are going to start the power for a, decrease, and here it should be a to the power 3, and then b to the power 2. Now here we have even b, so we are going to keep the positive sign. Again we're going to use this as our 10, a to the power 2, and b should be now 3. Now b again is odd, so that's why we are going to choose here is negative. Again we are going to write down plus 5, a to the power 1, b to the power 4. Now this time again it's positive because b to the power 4, plus in this case we're going to have highest degree of b, which is 5, and a to the power 0. or you don't have to write a to the power 0. It's just 1 anyway. So here we have any binomial with power 5. We are going to write that into this form. Now this serves as a coefficient. First letter start with the highest degree, keep on decreasing by 1, and the second letter start with the no degree or keep increasing by 1. Now what is given in our case? In our case, is not asking us to write a minus b to the power 5 in a standard form, but we are given with the standard form here, where the axis starting from 5 is decreasing by 1 degree, and coefficient is 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, and 1s, which is these ones. So now this equation given in a standard form is the same as, only the difference is that instead of a we have x here, and instead of b we have y here. And if you see that this was the standard form for a minus b to the power 5. To write this one into binomial to the power, we are going to use the same thing, but this one should be x minus y to the power of 5. Now we already given with x minus 5. Now x minus 5 is 3, so it means 3 to the power 5 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, so is 243. In the previous video I made a mistake and write 3 to the power 81, but thank you for the viewer who corrected me, and it is 243.